General Construction. Generator. Monitor F1 to F10 function key, text key, number key. In addition, on the control panel, you can find 6 function keys. Jog movement function, an MC operation function. As to other hardwares, you can find an alarm buzzer, emergency stop switch, analog voltage meter, green LED CNC on button, controller power switch knob, breaker, floppy drive, 110 volts power socket, RS-232 Ethernet interface, and 1 remote controller. Dielectric tank introduction, water conductivity control console, water pressure gauge, wastewater tank, purified water tank, dielectric tank generator, ion exchange resin barrel, pump 1 high pressure pump, pump 2 paper filter pump, and pump 3 suction pump. Detailed introduction, water conductivity control console. Working LED will lit on when setting value is bigger than present water conductivity value. Water low LED will lit on when dielectric is insufficient of the tank. Set safe value. Water conductivity setup. Present value. Green LED lit on to display present water conductivity value. Up. Set the conductivity value being increased. Down. Set the conductivity value being decreased. Practical operation. When the power boost, after 5 seconds, the green LED light aside the PV button will lit on. It means now under PV running mode and it's displaying current water conductivity value on the console. Under running mode and press SV button, then green LED lit on. It means has entered in water conductivity value setup mode SV, set safe. Under list mode, operator can press up, down buttons to set target value. When setting is done, you have to press SV button. Then it will go to memory storage. Soon, the green LED aside the SV button will lit off. Even you don't press SV button, the green LED will lit off automatically. Then go back to PV running mode. Water pressure gauge. Paper filter pressure indicator. We recommend to replace filter if pressure over 2 kg. Remember switch off power before exchange. Purify water dielectric level switch. The LED will lit on when water is insufficient. Ion exchange resin barrel. Quick connector dielectric tank generator. Inverter 3.7 kilowatts at upper side to control the speed of high pressure pump. Power on off switch at lower side. Pump 2 paper filter pump. Pumping water from waste dielectric tank to this motor, then go to paper filter. Machine will start to drain water automatically when the value reach 2.8 kilograms pressure. Pump 1 high pressure pump. Pumping water from purified dielectric tank. High pressure pump gauge. M6 electromagnetic valve for dragging wire. H pipeline connect to wire suction wheel, make it rotate toward the wire backside. G1 and G2 pipeline connect to backward wire suction composition. This is for backwater. M7 electromagnetic valve for controlling flashing on/off of upper-lower machine head. M9 electromagnetic valve for water flow setting value under 2 during the skim cut. This value be applied for refill water in submerged type. For drain water in flushing type machine, pump 3 purify water motor. I pipeline to supply water to clean anti-leakage shield. J pipeline to clean lower arm brass ring. B1 pipeline connect to input end of cooler. B2 pipeline from pure dielectric tank to output end of cooler. M8 electromagnetic value for ion exchange resin enable disable. C1 pipeline to ion exchange resin barrel. Water conductivity probe. Dismantle it for cleaning after a period of time. Available in submerged type. Quick feed pipe. Waste dielectric tank. There's one sink motor be available in submerged type. There are three major parts of the machine: machine body, generator, and a dielectric tank. Machine body, X-axis, Y-axis, U-axis, V-axis, and Z-axis. Open acrylic cover and see wire directed system on the panel. Wiring procedure. Wire source wheel. Weighted jockey roller. Option: minimize loose wire coming from supply spool wire. Jockey roller switch. 1. Push up enable the roller. Balance for cutting and threading. 2. Push down disable the roller. It be used while change the wire spool. Tension wheel. Control wire tension. Wire cutting. Used wire status LED. Light on during processing used wire. Light goes off after done. Tension wheel. Control wire tension. Upper threading tube support. Wire feed motor. Drives ceramic pinch rollers. Wire retraction motor. Retract used wire. Used wire ejection chamber. Wire retraction motor gearbox. Power feed contract pneumatic cylinder. Moves power feed contract against wire in erosion. Wire heater. Used to cut wire with heat. Wire retraction pressure wheel. Purchase wire against retraction wheel. Wire retraction pneumatic cylinder. Purchase wire retraction pressure wheel against wire to pinch it. Pneumatic sensor. Extends to sense wire during wire retraction. Power feed contact. Contacts wire to supply erosion power to the wire. At upper machine MC head, there is one isolated ceramic plate, one water flushing pipe, energizing plate, discharging cable, signal feedback cable, Z-axis dielectric leveling sensor, halogen lamp, upper water pressure gauge, lower water pressure gauge, upper water pressure adjustment value, lower water pressure adjustment value, vertical alignment jig I/O signal socket, lower arm, isolated ceramic plate, lower machine head assembly, discharging cable, work cable ground cable, wire backward combination, lower flushing pipe, wire retrace water pipe, work table, ground cables, upper lower discharging cable, and water drain pipe. On the part of work table tank, dielectric leveling sensor, dielectric level adjustment valve, quick refilling gate, quick draining gate, door interlock sensor, water drain, pneumatic cylinder, anti-leakage shield, clean device for anti-leakage shield, auto oil lubricator, oil collect box, wire backward roller combination, wire tension adjustment knob, water bag collection tray. In addition, access driver for 5-axis XYZ UV be hinged in small generator neighbor to the dielectric tank generator.